stand at the top of a leap, collecting a physical billion and affiliating an outsized portion of family assets of gold, equities, options, and features. These are long-term players, rarely discussed by downwards, who eventually shakes out less ideological player. In addition, retail participants comprise nearly the entire population of gold bucks, with few funds devoted entirely to the long side of the precious metal. Gold bucks add enormous liquidity while keeping a floor under features and gold stock because they provide a continuous supply of buying interest at lower price. They also reserve the country purpose of providing efficient entry of short sellers, especially the emotional market when one of three primary forces polarized in favor of strong buying pressure. In addition, gold attracts enormous hedging acting by the institutional investors who buy and sell combination with currencies and bonds in bilateral strategies known as risk on and risk off. Funds create baskets of instruments matching growth and safety in trading this combination, those lightning fast algorithms. They are especially popular in high conflict markets with public participation lower than normal. Number 3, read long-term chart. Take to learn the gold chart inside and outside. Start starting with long-term history that goes back at least 100 years. In addition to carving out trends that persist for decades. The metal has also trickling lower the incredibly long periods, denying profits up to gold bucks. From a strategic stand-up, this analysis definitely a price level that need to be watched if and when the yellow metal returns to test them. Gold recent history shows the title movement until the 1970, when following the removal of gold standard for the dollar. It looks of a long uptrend disappointed by rising inflation due to the skyrocketing crude oil prices. After topping out at $2,076 an ounce in February 1980, it turns lower near $700 in the mid-1980. In reactive Federal Reserve monetary policy, the subsequent downwards last into late 1990 when gold entered the cyclical uptrend that accumulated in the February 2012 top of $1916 an ounce. A steady